on both sides. Got a few trees around us, so we should see some coastal wading birds today. Possibly even some warblers, things like that. I'm gonna get set up real quick. We're set up and ready to enjoy the day. Another cool thing about this spot, the boat launch comes out of this creek, so we might even get to see some cool boats today. Let me give you a pan, then we're gonna sit around and just see what comes through. Boats, birds, whatever. So we came in from the parking lot down that little trail. The main place I'm gonna be looking is right here. When the tide goes out, a lot of bird activity. We're gonna just see what we can see. And the trail goes on, there's another couple of little sitting spots. Right through here is where the boats will be coming and going from. I already see something over there. Let's zoom in and see what that is. We can even see the lighthouse. We might get a shot at him later. He only flew across the creek. You can't see him because of the grass. I see he's around to this other side. This joker's fixing to throw a cast net at him. Heck yeah. Ought to flip back high and go upside down. Probably trying to catch him someday. We got a few just flew in. Watch them right there. We might try to zoom on in. Tell you right now, this is the kind of day I've been needing. Peace, quiet. We've been on the go the last few weekends. If you've been watching our videos, you see between grandkids and just doing. Spring's coming in. Heck yeah. Thought he landed right through there, so. Let's check the mouth of this other little creek right beside it before we do it. believe we caught this old tide right. I think it's going out. I always seem to have better luck on low tide watching these old coastal birds. I guess it's because they can get to the bottom better to get their stuff they're eating. Yeah, I do believe it's going out. How y'all doing? Doing good. How you doing, sir? Doing well. Doing well. If you want me to use that bench, now I'll slide over.
No.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that old tide slipping right on there. I was looking up because there's another heron just flew over the top of him and he kept going. Landing over here. Yeah, you can definitely tell that tide's going out. On the old mud flat. One of the old wooden benches. I'm guessing Storm got it. It's a little after 9. I figured the old boat ramp would be a lot fuller. Not so far not, I guess because of the tide. Nobody here at this little viewing point. I think we'll stop and hang out a minute while I'm using can find here. Old sun gonna be a little harsh on us, but we're gonna make do. I don't know if I ever noticed that or not. Fond memory of Shadow Hibbard, Hibbard, lover of nature and volunteer extraordinaire who faithfully tended gardens throughout the refuge for many years. This is a pretty little spot. But you right out in the sun. I ain't sure I'm good enough with a video camera to get much quality stuff. Hey, we ain't got nothing else to do. Just kind of scanning here. You could tell that they got the water flowing down through here with the tide too, so I'm sure that's being controlled through some of the mini gates here. But I'm hearing the most noise coming from this side. So let's just get our camera and zoom down that creek and see if we see anything. Or at least see some more common birds. So cool. Alright, here's his reflection on the water. I reckon we'll ease on down. There's a few more spots we'll check out. If there ain't nobody there, there's an eagle's nest, I believe is what it was, that I spotted last time from the road. We might start right here and see what we can see. I didn't have the old zoom camera with me last time. So let's ease on down there. People are out today, that's for sure. Not sure if you can see it, but on the left you'll see the pine trees that's up near the road, and then if you look out to the side you'll see a group that stands over to the far left. The one on the far right of that group is the one that I believe is an eagle's nest. We're going to see where we can get the best vantage point. You can see where people have been pulling off on the right. They probably had a little better camera than I do. Between that palm and that pine, straight out. Let's get the zoom camera out. Straight out. Let's see if we see any movement in it. Somewhere else see. It's a pretty day. I thought we'd just stop off here at Hampton Springs on the way to the house. See if we see anything. Maybe a few birds, hopefully. Just is. There he is. Rocky Creek pretty low. Real low. We got some visitors on a buggy of some sort.